Hi traders, Yuri is here with weekly Forex forecast for December 16th through 20th. And so guys, before we get started, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. Please put real disclaimer in the description below. And before we get started, please thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload new video to my channel. And final words, guys, thanks for everybody who joined me this year. I launched my YouTube channel in English about 3 months ago, or 2 months and a half. And so thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for your support, for your comments, for your likes. And this is the last video in this year, and the new video will be uploaded in January, because next 2 weeks will be, except the coming one. This is the coming week will be the most, I should say, volatile, and after this week, the 2 second weeks will be just slow due to Christmas and New Year. You know about it. The bank will be closed all around the world, and the first active week will start from January 5th or something. So that's why this video now is the final in this year. So I hope and I wish you all the best, many in this coming year. So yes, and see you later, guys. Let's get started. Let's get back to our forecast. EURUSD, as always, weekly chart, weekly time frame. So last week I recommended to sell on strength, but as you can see, euro finalized week strongly. It closed above this region from 110.60 up to 111, and price closed well above 111. So, and even this Friday candle, it's like pin bar, I now treat it like against the short-term trend. Short-term trend is to the upside, as you can see, and I added a channel. I added a channel here. You can see this is the bottom of this channel, this is the top, and it seems to me like price is gonna to at least test this top of descending channel. And so we got a loss here. We sell based on this pin bar. On previous week we sell, and our stop loss was around 111.80, and as you can see, it was hit on Friday. So this signal was invalidated here based on this price action. And now I'm more like my bias changed to bullish based on recent price action. As you can see, price now formed like kind of higher, 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 low. You can see higher, low, higher, 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 low. It's not new high, it's equal high, but I mean, after this run, for me it's normal correction to the downside, and I am now recommend to buy on weakness and looking for a buy signal around this region now. So this region from 110.60 up to 111 should serve as support in my eyes, and so based on the price actions. So recommendation will be buy on weakness. Resistance 111.70 is the next resistance around 113. As you can see, it's lined up with top of this ascending channel, which we now have in the moment. So it's potential that price will move to this area. I think not in this year, but everything is possible. But I mean, there is only a couple of weeks until the year end, but we will see. So, but I recommend buy. So support zone here from 110.60 to 111, and the next support around 110. So my recommendation is to buy on weakness, guys. I ignore this signal because it's now against the short-term trend. Yes, the overall trend is bearish, but now we are in the, as you can see from left to right, we are in the ascending channel. Price is rising, so that's why I'm not going to sell based on this pin bar. Okay, let's move. GBPUSD, as I think most of you well know and well informed about these votings in Great Britain, and Boris Johnson won the votes, and it's added some fuel to the British pound to the end of this week. On Friday, you can see it was almost 300 pips rising to the upside. And as you can see on the weekly, we are still growing, we are rising. Price just broke through trend line on the monthly time frame. Everything is good so far. But here, what you can see on the daily, we are reaching the top of ascending channel, and I expect, and you already see it, sellers stepped in and started to push price to the downside. Let's switch to 1 hour chart, and you can see on 1 hour there was a movement around, for 1 hour it was 360 pips, and then after we reach this top, the price dropped almost 200 pips. And so for me it's a sign, and it's a time for reversal just now. Not, I expect it's much earlier, but you can see on Thursday we have a spin bar buy signal. It was final push in my eyes, and now I expect finally correction to the downside, at least down to 131.70 or 130. So my recommendation will be buy on weakness, guys, and looking for a clear price action signal. We can even see something like this. Price could go to as low as this one to reach the bottom of ascending channel. Now we are in the clear ascending channel. The short-term trend is bullish, it's clear. We have a structure, higher low, higher higher, higher low, higher higher, higher low, higher higher, and now new low will be around, I guess. I think it will be logical to see the drop in the price down to this zone. So the resistance 133.60, it's key resistance now, and the support 131.70, 130, 127.50. Recommendation is to buy on weakness, guys. Let's move on. AUDUSD. AUDUSD is good, doing well, and I forget, I on GBPUSD I recommended don't buy on current levels and potential sell signal, but for AUDUSD my recommendation was on previous week potential breakout through 0.6865 level, and it's happened actually. It's top of the channel, of descending channel, and I recommend also stay on the fence until this happened. And as you can see on the daily, price finally break through top of descending channel. Let me zoom out quite. Yeah, it's, you can see it was descending channel, and we broke through this channel on Thursday. Let me zoom in now to show you. You can see it now on this candle. On Thursday we broke through, and on Friday we retest now this top of descending channel. Now should serve as support, as dynamic support, and actually also it's line up as well with 0.6865 level. And so I'm going to looking for a buy signal around just a bit low this level. So my recommendation is looking for this buy signal early next week on Monday or on Tuesday, where will be some news which will add some volatility to AUDUSD. So that's why I recommended to buy on weakness, guys. So with the first target 0.6930 for a test, and the next target around 0.7040. Okay, so and this is now ascending channel now, and you can see top here. My eyes top here. Top is around, if you go not to retest, it could be around 0.69. 0.70, yeah, at least. So if we could see something like this, small correction to the downside, false break, and then price will go to the upside to retest this top of the channel. This is my view, guys, on AUDUSD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So my recommendation is to buy on weakness. It's already weakened, and on Monday, on Tuesday, just waiting. Keep patience and wait for buy signal. Looking for daily time frame or 4 hour or even 1 hour the minimum. So the nearest resistance around 0.6930, the next 0.7040, nearest support 0.6865, and then 0.6812. Okay, let's move. USDJPY. USDJPY doing well. It was after Federal Reserve Committee meeting. It's doing well, closed back above 109 level. It's a nice sign, and I recommend it as far as I remember, and do my notes here. I recommended wait for market price action around this area 108.50. I talked about head and shoulders pattern and potential breakthrough neckline. I mean this one, it's left shoulder, head and right shoulder, but it didn't happen, as you can see. So price was rejected from 108.50 level, so it was the neckline and it didn't happen. And let me show you, here is the signal on 4-hour chart. It's small pin bar, just trying to push through this 108.50 level, but it was rejected, and then price catapulted higher during the FOM meeting, during the news. So, and you can see price in the nice, well-defined ascending channel. So the next target for me 110, 111. So it looks like price gonna reach to the upside. So all is good, all is positive. Stock market is rising. So the structure is in place. High, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, equal higher, and just trying to make a new high. I think next week we will see the new high around 110 first, and then price and buyers need to close above 110 and the next target 111. This is how I see the USDJPY currently. And as for support, nearest support 109 now and 108.50. It's key support as of today. And yeah, so I recommend to buy on weakness, guys. No clear price action, but it's closed above 109. It's, for me, it's a nice sign for price and for trend continuation to the upside. Let's now look for the gold. Gold, I recommended looking for a sell signal around 1480 area. Wait for clear price action, and it happened. You can see we have this we had this pin bar sell signal on Thursday on attempt to break through 1480 and on retest of top of descending channel. So you can see it's clear we are now in descending channel. Short-term trend is to downside. Structure is in place, low, high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high. So the next low, low I prefer to see below 1450 level. And this price action, yes, on 4-hour chart you can see it's clear. It was false break through 1480. The market makers just push price to the upside and then reverse all the way down. This 4-hour candle is engulfing candle, strong rejection of the price, and Friday it's just, for me, it's technical correction to the upside, and I expect price will continue falling early next week. Just look for a sell signal possible around if they will push price again back to 1480. It will be good, just second attempt. But as of today, you see several attempts already was around 1480 region for market makers just collecting liquidity. As here is a stop hunting. It was stop hunt here and just push price all the way back. So for me, direction is to the downside now, and I recommend to sell on strength, guys. With the target, with the first target 1450 and the second it's around 1400, so it's something like this. So resistance 1480 is the nearest resistance, and 1500, and support 1450 and 1400. So no clear price action. Yes, we had price action, this pin bar price action sell signal. It's black one on Thursday. Let's move now to the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is doing very well as well. I recommended buy on weakness, and as you can see, it was corrected. Correction was down to 27,800. On the daily, you can see it's clear. It's formed with pin bar buy signal on Tuesday before the FOMC, before the Federal Reserve Committee, and on the Wednesday there was not too many activities, but anyway, on Thursday price pushed again above 28,000 and making new historical maximum on Friday. And so for me, I still recommend to buy on weakness. It's clear we're in the long-term bullish trend, so don't fight the trend, and I think there is still a lot of potential up to 30,000 at least, taking into account current technical analysis and what we're seeing in the market. And I recommend to buy on weakness, guys. Look for signals around 27,800 or 27,350 or even 27,000. It's end of the year. The volatility will be increased for sure, because some people will gonna, and some hedge funds, banks gonna take some profits. We'll see what happens, guys. And I recommend to buy on weakness. So with the targets around 28,500 and 29,000, and support I already just mentioned support areas. You can see it on my chart. So recommendations to buy on weakness, guys. And finally, Brent. Last but not least, Brent I recommended buy on weakness, and as you can see, Brent touched 65 area. I talked about this area long time ago and several times. You can see it was a weakness here. It was a pin bar buy signal on Wednesday on Federal Reserve Day meeting, and then Thursday, Friday price pushed to the upside. It reached top of the ascending channel, just trying to push through, but it was cancelled, rejected as of Friday. But for me, it's still lots of potential to the upside. So now I expect to see something like this correction, possible even down below this 63 area again, just to reach the bottom of ascending channel before the price starts rising again. Because you know, price needs to go down before it go up to the upside again. You can see it all the time in the markets. We go up, go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, and so on and so forth. Okay. So the structure is in place: higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, high, equal low, higher high. So the next higher low around possible bottom of this, or we could see something like this, some sideways movement, and then next leg to the upside. So my recommendation is to buy on weakness, guys. As of price action, we had this pin bar buy signal on Wednesday, and so the next target will be 67, 69, support 63, 61.50, and I recommend to buy on weakness, guys, based on price action on the daily, on 4-hour time frame, or on 1 hour as a minimum. So that's it, guys. Let's recap. Let's quickly recap what we just discussed. EURUSD buy on weakness, GBPUSD buy on weakness as well, AUDUSD buy on weakness. We are now, it's hot point, I should say, here in the market. USDJPY buy on weakness as well, gold sell on strengths, Dow Jones buy on weakness, and Brent buy on weakness as well. So guys, that's it with the weekly Forex forecast for December 16th through 20th. So thanks for watching, guys, and once again I wish you all the best in the upcoming new year, and have a good Christmas, and enjoy the time with your family and the loved ones. Enjoy the Christmas, enjoy the holidays and new year. So please leave a comment below. please thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and click notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new video to my channel. And yeah, guys, once again, thanks for your support, and I will see you in the next year, guys. I enjoy my work for you guys, and so this training is my passion, and I would like you will love trading as me as well. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and see you next year. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.